Good morning, dear students. We are doing exercise 4.3 and till question number 3rd of this exercise we have done. Now question number 4 we have to construct the following quadrilateral. So there is in question number 4 we have to construct a rectangle OKAY. So name of this rectangle is OKAY and only two sides were given, OK and KA. So what we know that about the rectangle, we know that this all the angles of a rectangles are of 90 degree. So in a rough sketch diagram we can understand OKAY is a rectangle. OK, that means this one 7 centimeter, and KA, that means this one is 5 centimeter, and all the angles of this quadrilateral is of 90 degree because in rectangle this property satisfied. Now so we have to construct that kind of quadrilateral which have two sides of 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. So first thing what we have to do, we have to make an line segment of 7 centimeter for the OK, which is given 7 centimeter. So I constructed line segment of 7 centimeter with the help of ruler. We have to construct line segment of 7 centimeter. Okay, name this line segment as OK and is it of 7 centimeter. So I mentioned there. Now what we have to do there, we have to make an angle of 90 degree with the help of protector. So I am putting the protector on point O first, then putting properly to this line, hide the line I constructed. So here is the 90 degree. We started counting from that side, 0, 10, 20, 30 and so on. 90 is there, and again from point K we have to make an angle of 90 degree. So I am putting the protector perfectly on point K and try to hide the constructed line with this protector line and start counting from this side, 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. There is the 90. Okay, now we have 2 points, you can see there and there. These are the 2 points where we find it the 90 degree. So match these points with the point K and O to get the 90 degree angle there. Okay, take a larger line because we have to make an arc of 5 centimeter for the KA. Now 5 centimeter is the length of KA and KA is the upside of K in this line. Okay, and we know that if this side is of 5 centimeter, then this one is also 5 centimeter because opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So take a measurement of 5 centimeter with the help of a scale and protector. Is it visible to all? Okay, we taken a measurement of 5 centimeter in our protector, and then thereafter put the protector pointer on the point K and cut an arc upside on the angles line, and then thereafter on point O cut an arc again in angles line. So what you get there, you get a point A and a point Y, and KA is of 5 centimeter, then this one is also 5 centimeter. Okay, so match these 2 points with the help of a scale, this 2 point A and Y or Y or A. Okay, so this one is also of 7 centimeter, this one is also 7 centimeter, and this one is 5 centimeter, this sides is also 5 centimeter, and all the angles of this quadrilateral is of 90 degree because it is a rectangle. So that much for that much we have to construct the rectangle OKAY. So we constructed rectangle OKAY whose two sides are of 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Angles is not given, so this is we all know that in a rectangle every angle is of 90 degree. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to write steps of constructions. So in steps I'm going to explain how can you write these steps. First of all, in first step you have to take a line segment OK equal to 5 centimeter. So you have to write drawn a line segment OK equal to 7 centimeter. In second step, what we have done? In second step, we have done from point and O and K. So right there, from O and K, make an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so from point O and K, make an angle of 90 degree. Okay, we made it 90 degree angle from in these 2 points, and we taken this line longer than expected, than 5 centimeter longer, because we have to take one measurement of arc of 5 centimeter there. That's why we taken more than 5 centimeter. Now third step, with the help of compass, what we have done with the help of compass, we have taken an arc of 5 centimeter, cutted in both angles line to get points. What points we get it then? A and Y. Okay, and in last step, match A and Y to get rectangle OK AY. Okay, that much is our construction. Whatever we have to do, you can write these steps of construction in your own word. Okay, but one thing you have to keep in your mind, that everything whatever you have done in this question, you have to mention there. Okay, thank you for this class. From next class we will do this topic. When 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, then we have to construct a quadrilateral. So how can we construct a quadrilateral in this condition, we have to do in next topic. Okay, thank you.